Let me shock you. There are only 3 ways to make money on the internet. And the 3 ways are selling your own product on the internet, selling another people's product on the internet, or selling your skills as a service on the internet. Among the 3 ways to make money on the internet, the easiest one is selling your skills as a service on the internet. But the problem is, how long will it take you to acquire a skill that you can start selling on the internet for you to be able to make money? If you ask people about this, many people will tell you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year before you can start making money on the internet. If it have to take you that long, when are you going to start making money? That is why I am making this video, to tell you that there is a skill that you can learn under 1 hour and start making money on the internet as soon as possible. You no longer have to wait for 1 year before you can start making your money on the internet. And that is the exact thing I'm going to reveal to you in this practical step-by-step video that you will learn under 1 hour and start implementing that same day. I'm not doing this just because I want to make money from you. If I want to make money from you, I probably would be charging you 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira or more. But I'm doing this because I don't want you to continue procrastinating that you don't have a skill, and that is why you are not making money on the internet. I want you to start taking action right now and be able to tell me your story after a few weeks. So what are you waiting for? I have prepared this video in step-by-step guide that will show you the exact skill that you can learn and master under 1 hour and be able to offer this skill on the internet and make money for yourself. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and look at the link anywhere in this video. Click on the link. It will take you to my website and you'll be able to get a course right now. The interesting thing is that I'm offering a very huge discount today, and if you go ahead and get the course, you're likely going to get up to 80% discount on the course. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the link, go to the website and take action right now, and I will see you on the other side.